The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has assured Nigerians of its preparedness for the 2027 general election, despite delays by the National Assembly in passing the amended Electoral Act. INEC Chairman, Professor Joarsh Amupitan, gave the assurance during a meeting with civil society organizations ahead of the Federal Capital Territory Area Council election. Professor Amupitan, who noted that the Commission has already forwarded its recommendations on the proposed amendment to the National Assembly, however expressed concern that delays in the passage of the new law could affect certain aspects of the election timetable.
While the National Assembly is presently working on amendments to the Electoral Act, the Commission has made its submission as required. We are mindful of the growing interest and anticipation surrounding the release of the timetable and wish to assure the political parties and the Nigerian public that the timetable and schedule of activities for 2027 general election has been finalized by the Commission.
The INEC Chairman also spoke on the ongoing continuous voter registration exercise, assuring that the process will be concluded well ahead of the 2027 general election.
By the strong public response to the exercise, which affirms the continuing belief of Nigerians in the democratic process, and in the effort of the Commission to ensure that every eligible citizen is afforded the opportunity to register and vote. For transparency purposes, data on completed online pre-registration and physical registration are published weekly on the Commission's website.
Responding on behalf of the civil society organizations, the Executive Director of the Inclusive Friends Association, Grace Jerry, stressed the need for the National Assembly to urgently commence and conclude the passage of the amended Electoral Act.
We are calling on all hands to be on deck. Whoever needs to be called upon, whatever actions need to be taken, need to be expedited and needs to be done quickly because we have concern for the 2027 election. And I think that
the meeting with the civil society organizations and other key stakeholders formed part of activities leading up to the FCT Area Council elections. CNN News.